this lovely surprise in the mail. A new acrylic marker set from Arrtx. So let's open this. Open this and let's see what it contains. Like so. And now let's see. 90 colors, water-based and brush tip. Okay, let's open this and see. Wow! Well, this looks amazing. So many colors. And here are the color numbers for the markers. This is nice. This is very nice. Thank you, Arrtx. Lovely. And here are also the color codes. Some paper. Let's see. Yes, very, very pigmented. This is very good that this holds the markers. There's like these little, many of these little holders, and I really like that. And you don't have to pump these markers, so they are ready to use, which is nice. What a lovely set. There are 90 markers, so a lot. And I love the color collection. There are many different colors, pastels and forest greens and blues, and yes, I'm really happy about this. Now the stickers are in place. For a while now I have been thinking that I really need some doors for my art journal spreads. These can be used as a journaling cards or just glue them onto the picture. And I drew these digitally, but you can do this by hand. Just draw whatever kind of shapes and sizes doors you need, and then color them, decorate them, and then you can cut them and use them on your journal spread or journaling cards or whatever you need. But now I will print these, and then let's start the coloring and decorating. Okay, now the whimsical dolls are ready, and they turned out really happy. And I'm really, really happy about this set. This was a really nice way to do these dolls with the acrylic markers. I think these are absolutely amazing colors. The color collection is very nice. Many tones, many shades. There are so much to choose from. Then it was a surprise that you don't have to shake or you don't have to push the color out of the marker. It just became so nicely. And the decorating part was also very, very easy with this tip, because you can make the little dots and then you can make the larger dots and lines, and really nice flow with these markers. And then I noticed that the drying was very quick, so I do not have to wait long to get to the next part, because it dried so nicely. But yes, overall, this is a very lovely set. Thank you, Arrtx, for sending me this. And if you would like to know more about this set, there is more information in the description box below. Okay, and this print is now for sale on my Etsy shop, and it is with the Blanco print and with the colored one, if you want to color your own little doors to your art channel, whimsical pages. I think I will use these in different sizes, so I will use them also smaller, then I have to just print about 60-70%. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille!